Hello students, in today's class we are going to discuss about the major types of vegetation found in our country. There are 5 types. First, tropical evergreen forest, tropical deciduous forest, tropical thorn forest and scrubs, montane forest, mangrove forest. Today we will discuss about all these one by one. So, let's talk about tropical evergreen forests. These forests are found in areas of heavy rainfall. They are at their best in areas having more than 200 centimeter of rainfall. The trees reach great heights up to 60 meters or even above. Since the region is warm and wet throughout the rainfall, because of rainfall, it has vegetation of all kinds, that is, trees, shrubs, creepers, giving it a multi-layered structure. There is no definite time for the trees to shed their leaves. The forests appeared green all throughout the year. And some of the commercially important trees found in these forests are ebony, mahogany, rosewood, rubber, cinchona. And common animals found in these forests are elephants, monkey, deer, and are found in the jungles of Assam and West Bengal. Besides these animals, there are a lot of birds, bats, scorpions, snails found in these jungles. Now students, we will discuss about the next category, that is tropical deciduous forest. These are the most widespread forests of India. They are also called monsoon forests and are found in the places where the rainfall is between 200 centimeter and 70 centimeter. Trees of these forests shed their leaves for about 6 to 8 weeks in dry summers. And on the basis of the availability of water, these forests are divided into moist and dry deciduous. So first we'll talk about moist deciduous. They are found in areas receiving rainfall between 200 and 100 centimeter. These forests exist mostly in the eastern part of the country, northeastern states, along the foothills of the Himalayas, Jharkhand, West Orissa and Chhattisgarh, and on the eastern slopes of Western Ghats. Teak is the most dominant species of this forest. Bamboos, sal, shisham, sandalwood, mulberry are the other commercially important species. Now, in the dry deciduous forests, these forests are found in areas having rainfall between 100 centimeter and 70 centimeter. These forests are found in the peninsular plateau and the plains of Bihar and Uttar Pradesh. And teak, sal, peepal, neem grow here. And a large part of this region has been cleared for the cultivation and some parts are used for grazing. In these forests, the common animals found are tiger, deer, elephant, and a huge variety of birds, snakes are also found here. Next is the thorn forest and scrubs. These are found where the rainfall is less than 70 centimeter. This type of vegetation is mostly found in the northwestern parts of the country, including semi arid areas of Gujarat, Rajasthan, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Uttar Pradesh, and Haryana. Acacia palms, euphorbias, and cacti are the main plant species. Trees are scattered and have long roots which penetrate deep into the soil in order to get moisture. The stems are succulent to conserve water. Leaves are mostly thick and small to minimize evaporation. In these forests, the common animals are rats, rabbits, fox, wolf, tiger, and camels.